everyone, and welcome. This is Chloe with Cousin DIY. Embellished Apple Watch cases are very popular these days. You can buy them embellished, or you can embellish your own, and I'm going to show you how to do that today. I'm going to get set up and I'll be right back. For starters, I've already placed the case over my Apple Watch and I've slid the band back on. So now I just have to decide where I want to position my beads around the edges. I don't want to cover the screen. And I'm going to be placing little dots of glue where I want a flat back, and I'll be using this katana tool to pick up the flat back and place it onto the glue. So our mix that I'm using today has three different colors, kind of a smoke gray, a jet black, and a clear crystal. And there's three different sizes in each mix. I want to put the smallest little dots of glue that I can where I'm going to want to position a flat back, and make sure they're lined up correctly. And I think for starters, I'm going to use 3 of the bigger Okay, now that I have those in place, I think I'm going to use a clear each corner. So I'll put a little dot there, a little dot there. Try to make sure those are similar. Okay, now that I have those flat backs positioned, I think I'm going to use, I'll put a smaller smoke gray here and there, and then I'll do the same thing on the other side. I think I will put 2 smaller smokes in between the corner in the middle on this side and that side. There you go. All I have to do is let it dry. If you make your own embellished Apple Watch case, we'd love to see it. You can share it with us on Instagram at #CreateWithCousin. Thanks for joining us today. See you next time. Bye.